Imagine you are driving and that annoying check engine light pops up out of nowhere just when you need to pass an emissions test. If you scan it and see the P0412 code, you are dealing with a headache in your secondary air injection system, specifically the switching valve I circuit. Now, do not panic and go out buying a new air pump immediately, because this code is actually talking about the solenoid circuit, not the pump itself. Think of this system as your engine's way of taking a deep breath of fresh air to clean up the exhaust. It pushes extra air into the exhaust ports when the engine is cold to help burn off extra hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxides, basically turning the bad stuff into harmless water vapor and carbon dioxide. The brain of your car, the PISCM, or Powertrain Control Module, is supposed to ground the relay to kick the solenoid and pump into gear. When the PICM commands it on, it expects the voltage to drop near zero, and when it is off, it should see full battery voltage. If those numbers do not match up, your car gets confused and throws this code. You might notice your engine running a bit rich or your tailpipe emissions spiking. To fix this, you should grab a scan tool and try to toggle the solenoid while the key is on, but the engine is off. If it is silent, pull the plug and check for power in a solid ground with a voltmeter. If you have juice but no action, the solenoid is likely toast. If there is no power, you need to hunt down the relay and check for a blown fuse. A pro tip is to use a fused jumper wire to bypass the relay and see if the pump and solenoid actually work. If they jump to life, your wiring is probably okay, and the issue might be a fried driver inside the PISCM or a bad connection at the computer itself. It is all about following the path of the electricity until you find where it stops. So take your time and do not skip the basic wiring checks before replacing expensive parts.